Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about very amazing topic, wooden dining table chairs and designs, ideas and designs. So this video is very informative for you because this video we will discuss about wooden table designs. So wooden tables, if you are renovating your home or purchasing a new one, so we have a few modern dining table designs for you to rock the interiors. Dining rooms form an integral part of the house, just like the kitchen, and the bedrooms as is the place where you entertain your guests and get together as a family to enjoy your meal together. What is beautiful about this modern dining table and chairs is how the wooden table has been used to break the monotonous while the industrial lamps add much needed light to the dining space. In keeping with the wooden table, the cutlery and the coasters also have a neutral tone. Round modern dining tables have always been pretty popular with home buyers. In this dining room, the homeowners have opted for a neutral plate. The only color here is the green grapes. So usually dining rooms tend to be a bright and well lit, but recently dark dining rooms have become quite popular, and so have dark dining tables. Give your guests the element of surprise when they are over at your place to have dinner with you. So dining wooden table is very trendy topic and everyone talk about this design. So who would have thought that grey and wooden tones would complement each other, but they tend to go together really well. As you can see from this picture, the design and decor of this dining room involve a lot of potted plants. When you think of two contrasting colors, what comes to mind? Black and white. So here are some of the great dining table design is unique with a wooden tabletop and black legs, while the chairs are black with wooden legs. So wooden tables designs different design, some simple and some very fancy design. So the dining room features a larger rectangular with dining table with chairs to accommodate a family of 6 to 7 members. The large windows allow enough light to stream in during the day. So very trending dining table has become a massive hit with the homeowners. Not only homeowners but even commercial spaces are also featuring tables. These tables bring a contemporary feel to the overall dining room. Dining table is stylish because the dining room just feels like so beautiful, stylish and sophisticated. We hope you learn a lot of things and information for wooden table designs. So if you like this video, share this video, comment this video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.